Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide, where we post tutorial video. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. Now I said Mr, but I don't know how it's pronounced. Some people say it's Mr. Cooper, some people say it's MR Cooper, but it doesn't matter, alright? Just basically watch the video until the end if you want to understand how you guys can log in into it, because that's the main purpose of this video. So yeah, if you guys are new to our channel, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and let's move forward. So the first step is search for Mr. Cooper mortgage login and then click on the first link over here. It will take you to its sign up page over here, and over here enter the username of your account and then enter the password of your account over here as well, and just click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Mr. Cooper mortgage account, where you guys can get mortgage, which means loan. For those people who do not know mortgage, it means loan. All right, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.